lórí bí gbajúmọ̀ òṣèrébìnrin tíátà ni ìyẹn LIZZY ANJORIN ṣe ń wá àwọn èèyàn tuurutu lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Ọkùnrin kan má ti sọ ohun tó fà á. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
Not just framed. She did not just mishandle the incident, the case alone like that. It was an attack. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ fídíò yẹn dáadáa, ẹ rí i pé mo mention ibìkan bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí mo sọ pé I mentioned it there that I saw an attack. Mo rí ọfà kan tí wọ́n ti rán sójú ọjọ́ pé tí ọfà yẹn bá ti lè bá a ṣàlàyé tì. Ayé ò ní gbọ́ àlàyé ẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ṣé kò máa ṣàlàyé tì bá?
Oh yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir.
Ṣé kò máa ṣàlàyé tì bá?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir, bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir. Because many people, some of them are, if they are saying that she's lying, is a lie, or the story is not making sense. Everything she's saying is not adding up. Everything is a lie. It's a lie. Some even were even abusing me when I did I shared your video and said, this man know that. At that time, I've not looked for you, sir. I just said it that somebody they said that I'm afraid of Lizzy. I can't say the truth. I'm like I'm afraid of who, Lizzy Bao. I don't know her more than everybody knows her. I've only seen somebody that I've seen and prophesied, you know, and seen a vision, and I've spoken on it. Assuming Lizzy saw this, probably because we don't know the truth anymore. This preference we have first, and you know. So I heard what you said, sir, and I think it's making sense to me.
Now, the mystery behind all this thing, Lizzy is under attack. I will give you few evidences.
Please, sir.
Number one, after this whole cases happened, it made me so curious to search about who is this Lizzy. Then I went online. The videos I saw, in fact, there was a video I saw where Lizzy putting back some individuals that in case with some I don't want to mention the name of anybody on this program.
Yes, please. I don't even like it too.
A couple of individuals. There was even a particular one, she was laying a big course. And I understand that all these things they are doing, they are only doing it to make money online. I see all these things as content. Funny enough, can I tell you, these people won't only around. They don't go. They were not friends physically. They just come online to bully themselves, to gain more followers, to monetize their page. But one back pay, Bíbélì sọ̀rọ̀ kan, ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ náà sì ti ara, ó ti bá ara gbé. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá sọ màmá, it will be living within you. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́rí yẹn ó di ìdá olójú méjì ni. Bíbélì sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́rí yẹn ó ní ìdá ni, ó ní a máa bú ni wọnú iṣan dé inú gbùngbùn egun. I had a video where she was laying calls, ó ń ṣe ìpínlẹ̀ ńlá fún ọmọ arábìnrin kan, and that lady was crying. Aside that, a lot of people don't even need cases. In your tear to me. She had a case with Celestial Church of Christ.
Celestial.
Come online. In fact, a prophet had to reply her. We pay any video you telling you so Lizzy, what your would ban àwa máa bẹ gbé nǹkan sínú owó ẹ tó jẹ́ pé wàá ná owó yẹn wàá ná nígbà tó jẹ́ pé ayé máa bí ẹ pé olówó rí. You want to fight people fight agbára ẹ̀ka má bá àwọn èèyàn tó ju ẹ lọ́jà. Look at somebody who is coming against who is fighting the celestial body. You are fighting the church. She forgets that she's a mother. She's a wife. Oloko, Olomo. In fact, can I tell you this, man? Only that you know why did I question to Loko Olomo? Because in that you know when we know what I think, see in your two local ó lè máa jà báyìí online kí ọkọ ẹ̀ dẹ̀ wà nínú ilé kọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ dẹ̀ máa wó gbogbo kan kó dẹ̀ máa pàtẹ́wọ́ fún kó má pè wọnú lé pé my dear jọ owó tó rí ní kíní yìí ó ti dáa ẹ̀bọ̀ má jà fi di èpè sí. I'm not insulting, I'm not being an intrude into our private life or our marriage. I'm only talking for people to learn. Majamasala ń bá kíkanjú ṣẹ́ mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ̀.
Yes, sir.
Akíkanjú tó bá mọ̀ ìjà tí ò bá mọ̀ sá tó bá ti jà díẹ̀ sá díẹ̀. Now ìdí tí wọ́n ṣe bírèkì sí mọ́tò ni pé tó bá ti sá eré díẹ̀ kó tún tẹ bírèkì. Ẹ take note kì í ṣe ìgbà tí mọ́tò bá wà níwájú ẹnìkan ló máa ń tẹ bírèkì. Nígbà míì tí ò bá tiẹ̀ sí ẹni mọ́tò níwájú ẹ tó ń sáré lọ lálálálá fúnra rẹ̀ wà tó yí tempo speed yẹn wálẹ̀. Ìgbà míì wà wind down.
Bọ́sàk
Now, what I'm trying to say is, ìgbà tó wo gbogbo ayé ṣùṣù tó wo gbogbo church ṣùṣù tó rí church ìbájà tó jẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ló wá lọ ń bájà. Ó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ jà tán, ó tún ń dámọ́ kérúbù. Okay, the case kan ṣẹlẹ̀ recently, the case of Yinka TNT. Èmi ò fọ́lọ̀ gbogbo àwọn kan wọ̀nyí tẹ́lẹ̀ o, case ìyẹlé náà ló sọ mí dẹni tó ń lọ ń wo kíní. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń pè ní èmi ò mọ ẹyẹ tó ń jẹ́ Yinka TNT before now.